What's up, Fitted Squad? This is Brad, aka Too Fitted, coming to you with another quick video. And today, we're about to
1 hour later.
to low life projects. Gonna have them take a look at the suspension. Want to see if we can get it adjusted a little bit so I can have a better ride quality. It's a bit bouncy. It's a lot better since I had the wheels changed from the stocks, but it's still pretty bouncy. So I'm gonna take it over there to them, see what they can do, and we'll go from there. But before that, cold start. Alright, always gotta check out the cars here. That's dope. Something I would like to do. Looks like this has moved. There is another one I want to show you guys. I did not air out, by the way, because I'll probably be moving shortly. But the one I want to show you is the Maserati down here. See it there. That's dope too. Both of them. Bagged intentions. Alright, so they're going to go ahead and raise it up on the front and check out the rear. Because the rear definitely feel like it be dropping every time I go over a bump. So, I'm going to take a look for us. Alright, so they got it going up now. I ain't going to really go in or anything, but I did want to at least take a look from here if I could. I didn't recognize or notice that. That's dope too. Alright, so basically have the front lowered or raised, front raised almost an inch. It was like 3/4 of an inch. So I'll have to change the PSI that I put in the bags themselves, but overall, hopefully this will help with the bouncing. So we will see here in a minute, and I want to see how it looks aired out with it as well. What's up? Yeah, that looks pretty good. Yep, thank you. And clears the full lock, so we are good. Just gonna have to check to see how it looks fully aired out too. But as long as we got that comfort, we are good. So let's see. There we go. Perfect. Yep. Let's see how it looks. Yeah, we're still looking good. Still tucking. Perfect. Still good. That's pretty wild how dirty the car got. Just from all that rain and driving. But yeah. The drive itself was okay. It feels a little better overall, but it's still a bit bouncy. But it's mostly now depending on where we are on the road. Like if we're driving and it's a road that's not as even as it should be, you're gonna really feel the bounce there. But regular, I'm not just feeling it like before, because before it didn't matter what the condition of the road was, it was bouncy. So I would definitely say it's an improvement. Not exactly where I want it to be, but it's better. It's definitely better. Be going tomorrow to get my alignment, so I'll go ahead and do the video. I'll continue the video there when I get up in the morning, but that's where we standing right now.
The next day.
All right, here we go. So I'm about to head on over to Osceola Speed Tires and we'll go from there. But let's go ahead and do a cold start. I know it's pretty windy today and we got a lot of construction noises going on, but let's see what we can do.
One hour later.
Alright, so I showed up and this thing looks amazing. I think it was a white one before. I don't know. I thought it was white, but very clean. Loving the setup. Very aggressive. That's dope too. Volkswagen as well. But yeah, just checked in. They're finishing up a car now, and then I will be next. So I kept it at the ride height so they can do the alignment properly. So that's how we sitting when we driving. It's a little weird because it's about 85 in the front and then 100 in the rear to get that. But I think when I had the Ultima, I was like 65 in the front. Actually, no, I was 65 all around. And that was about a little lower than this, I believe. Yeah, a little lower. Nice. That shit definitely needs to be clean, so I might have to do that today. Sounds pretty good too. I see the light likes to flash. I wasn't sure how it looked when you were just pressing the brakes, so I'm not sure why that car is there. But he's about to move it, I guess. Yeah, he's moving. Little game of musical cars for a moment. But yeah, I'm tripping. The truck was always black. I don't know why I was thinking it was white, but it's dope. He had it lifted before though. I think the lower look, I'm feeling a little more though. That's one thing I love about Florida. You're always seeing some modified cars everywhere you go, especially when you come to a shop. They just be around the shop. I'm assuming he's gonna be coming in, but I don't know. she's going up. Not gonna lie, that line when it fell down, it definitely scared me. I thought someone was coming at me. That's what you're hearing. Just see how she looks under the car. Pretty good. Should give me a nice picture or two. Alright, was able to get the alignment done. Drove on it. Feels great. Never had any issues there other than if it was like a bag issue. Actually, no, I did have an issue with when my tow rod was bent. So they helped me diagnose that unintentionally. But yeah, Osceola speed tires always gets me right, and I think that alignment they had on the Ultimate lasted a good 2 years, no real issues. So it might, yeah, about that. So definitely shout out to them. But that's pretty much gonna do it for this video. I'm going to wash the car when I get home, even though, you know, that's how we looking. Wash the car, throw it in the garage, and call it a day. But before we go ahead and end the video, let's go ahead and do the comment of the day. The comment of the day goes out to, and if you'd like to be selected for comment of the day, make sure you leave a comment down below, and who knows, you could be next. I'd like to thank you all for tuning in. Please like, comment, subscribe, and as always, stay fitted. Peace.